Hi, I'm Judith, the Education Manager of Sigvaris. Today I'm going to introduce you to our most popular accessory, the Sigvaris Doff. This revolutionary device will help you put on and take off your compression stockings in no time. It's also great for a family member or caretaker to assist. Okay, let's get started. During this demonstration, I'll be calling this the sleeve and this the cone. First, secure the cone to a flat table simply by pushing the handle until it holds firmly. Once the cone is secure, slip your compression stocking over the cone. Then, drop the sleeve to the base of the cone. Grab the top band of the stocking and pull it out and up onto the sleeve. Stop when the top band reaches the top of the sleeve and then simply roll the sleeve with the stocking off the top of the cone. Notice how it folds onto itself, and remember where the heel is. Gently roll the sleeve to flatten the toe seam, and remember the position of your heel. Now simply place the sleeve with the heel down, toe to toe, and roll it up your leg. Let the sleeve do the work. For a comfortable fit, smooth out any wrinkles and position the top band 2 fingers width from the right angle bend of your knee. For an open-toe garment, position the toe seam so that it sits approximately 1 inch on the top of the sleeve. This is the end you will step into. Remember the position of your heel. As with the closed toe, simply place the sleeve with the heel down, toe to toe, and roll the sleeve up your leg. Your toe band should be across the base of your toes. Loading a thigh high onto the cone is similar to the calf length. But now pick the stocking from here, then raise the band over the cone, let it drop down, and roll the garment and sleeve off of the cone. This allows the band to only get rolled once, which makes it easier for you to get it on. Gently roll the sleeve to flatten the toe seam and remember the position of your heel. If you don't have the cone, watch how simple it is to load the stocking by using your arm. First, elevate your arm, then roll the sleeve up your arm, pinch a piece of the top band, and roll it down. Gently roll the sleeve to flatten the toe seam and remember the position of your heel. Another way to easily put your socks on is to use the floor. Be sure the heel is down and step into the sleeve toe to toe. Slide your foot into the sock, slant your foot to the outside, and roll into it. Having something on your floor to grab the fabric of the stocking can also be helpful. Taking off the stocking is just as simple. Reverse the process by rolling the sleeve up to the top of your stocking, grab the band, and pull down and off. Remember, let the sleeve do the work. If you have difficulty in any way, remember our customer care representatives are just a phone call away. Call 1-800-322-7744 or email us at sigvariscares@sigvaris.com. Thank you for your time.